Let's just give you an update. A Polytunnel. As you can see, there's flowers on my peppers. A little tomatoes there. There's a bit more water. Peppers. Chillies are coming on nice. Watermelon has gone crazy. Tumbling Toms are doing good, as are these. And our big crystal lemon. We might need repotting at weekend. And back to picture with chilies. I've just started to get a little flower on, look. They've got some big ones on. This is the Gormison one, look. Size of them ones. If you look right at the back there. I've got a couple more. They're the tiger ones. Well along nicely. Pepper's flowering now. So yeah, that was just a quick update in the Polytunnel. This one here has got loads of flowers on it. This is called a hot carrot. Chili pepper. And here's my watermelon with plenty of flowers on.